Hello, this is Pala Jasmine, and today video blog I want to talk about something that I've been going through. I just recently moved to a new apartment. You guys can see that this is different from the other videos. What I want to cover is a topic called bad debt. So this is the situation. I got evicted out of one of my apartments in 2011. The court made a judgment, and I ended up losing, and I had to pay the landlord the amount of $1,250. I'm going to show quickly here. You guys can see there, you know, how much I owe, $1,250. So that's what the court says, and if have it that's what the court says, that I have to pay the landlord. I returned the keys to a landlord, and I even have pictures that I may probably post them after this video message, and you'll get to see the pictures of the apartment. I left the apartment in very good condition when I left, you know. I usually do that every time I move from one apartment to another one. I always clean up the apartment, and I always make sure that the apartment is all very well cleaned up. Anyway, I just got contacted because I didn't have money, and because I've been unemployed and my money hasn't been enough to cover all these expenses. I never paid the landlord. So recently I just got contacted by a debt collection agency, and I'm going to post the name of the collection agency, and you can see it here. The name is NCC Business Services, and they're based in Jacksonville, Florida. And they called me, and they said that they want that they are collecting money, and I told them to send me a letter explaining the debt and where it comes from. In the letter, they don't explain the breakdown. They don't show any core documents. They just send me a copy of documents that I signed and copies of the lease, which I already have some of that stuff with me. And let me show you what's happening here. They want me to pay back $2,555. As you can see, the letter is just a letter. It doesn't have any breakdown of things, and in the paperwork that they sent me, that's not included. And what I figure out is the fact that I did the calculation, and the calculation came out to the difference. There's a difference of $1,305, and that's the difference between the original amount that the judge that the landlord got in the judgment, which is $1,250. Because of that, they just been telling me like, oh no, carpet burns and all that stuff, which is not true. And then I look at the lease, and in the lease there's a section that the landlord wrote, that is written in the lease actually, that says that if I don't clean or anything like that when I move, the landlord can charge me some of the fees included there. As you can see, for example, rubbish, dirty stove, dirty refrigerator, and all that stuff. I added all those things up, and it came out to $1,310. A difference of $5 basically, but it explains what they probably are doing. I don't know what it is. I don't know if the landlord contacted the debt collection company and added this fee, or if the company, the debt collection company, is adding those fees up to the amount that they have to collect only, in a way of getting money. One thing for sure, I'm planning to write the office of the Attorney General in New York and have the complaint form. I'm going to write him. I got the complaint form right here, as you can see. I haven't filled it out yet, but I'm going to. Because honestly, this doesn't look like they have a court document proving the debt that they want to collect. And based on my documents and the document that I have from the court, I'm only responsible to pay back my landlord $1,250. So, more so the company, the debt collection company, when they called me, they told me that the only way to solve this is if I go and they want me to try and go and get a credit card to pay the debt. To be honest with the situation, even though I can probably do that, it doesn't make sense because number one, I'm bankrupt. I'm already bankrupt, and I don't have a job, or at least steady job, to be able to pay a credit card debt back. So they threatened me that if I don't go there, that they were going to put this on my record and all that stuff. I don't think I have any more choice, but I will probably have to let them do that. But I will, at the same time I'm filing this with the Attorney General, and they will probably investigate, and hopefully they will find out what's going on. But at the same time, I just want to say that, honestly, this will be to all the landlords that apply. And I can mention my landlord. My landlord was, they're from Campus View Apartments, and the name of my landlord, his name is Judd Feynman. Yeah, Judd Feynman. I can show here. Judd Feynman, you can see it there. So, you know, that's just really ridiculous, you know, like for some people that cannot pay. True, yeah, I didn't pay that, you know, but like at the same time, I've been unemployed. I've been dealing with a situation where I cannot find any job. I don't know why, but then I have to deal with things like this. Right now, I'm lucky. My friend is letting me stay here for free, but other people are struggling, and they have to deal with landlords that they just want money, or debt collection companies are just trying to put fees in there, and nobody has ever done something like this. And I'm probably going to be one of the first person that is actually fighting and arguing with the debt collection companies, or maybe not, but you know what, at some point this thing has to stop, you know. And I guess I'm being smart, all that stuff. Of course, I've been studying accounting and all that stuff, and I want to start a business, but I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, but that's all I want to talk about, and hopefully I will have an update, maybe eventually later. Anyway, thank you and have a good day. Bye. And I hope you can see the pictures right after this. You will get to see them. I'm going to post them, that they will appear after you don't see me here anymore. Alright, bye.